Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another video on the road to Damascus. And I think there's going to be 3 more videos in the series after this. And I'm going to do 2 videos every No, wait, not 2 videos. I'm gonna do 2 games every day. Every video basically. So, without further ado, let's let the game start up. But if you guys haven't yet, could you guys please just hit that subscribe button for me? It would mean a lot. It's really gonna help me out. Also, watching the video all the way through helps out a lot. For those of you that don't know. So if you guys could just please do that for me, that would mean so much. And the game's starting up, so let's get into it. It should be a pretty easy one. Game show is usually a really easy map to get those double knife kills on. If only they would let you do the 2 kills and then back out, I could probably have this entire thing done in a video for you guys. Thanks, man. Dude, I am so ready for people to use guns other than SMGs. Oh my god. Like, do you see this? Everybody's using an SMG. It's so annoying. And it makes it so hard to get those double knife kills. I mean, I guess that wasn't too hard, but you know what I mean. I have never seen those laying down execution, so that is really cool. I might also just try to run knife as long as possible. I got stuck. I mean, what could I really do in that situation? Also guys, I realized I went back and watched, my other videos. I do need to start talking more at some points. I guess if you are somebody that is watching my videos, I doubt I have anybody, actually, but, if you somehow are enjoying all my content and, watching it, then, go ahead, leave a comment saying whether or not I don't know what I was even talking about, honestly. I completely just forgot. I don't think I was talking about what I'm thinking of right now. But, if you guys want to leave a comment down below on whether or not Are you serious? I cannot think today. What was I going to say? What? quick little stab. Oh yeah, if you so leave a comment down below if you want a face cam in these videos. I don't know how I feel about the situation of my face on YouTube. I like feeling anonymous. Like, I don't have to worry about people just knowing me for fame. Like, okay, God. That sounds so stupid. So basically, I'm gonna stay on YouTube for a couple of years, alright? You know, this is what I want to do for my career, but I'm young. I'm not going to college anytime soon. I mean, I guess some people might call it soon, but I think it would be really cool to like make it big on YouTube, and then I wouldn't go to college. That's why I'm starting semi-young, I guess. But anyway, point is, I'm gonna be here for a while. Over time, I'm going to get more than 2 subs like I have right now.
We're pulling ahead.
So I don't know. I feel like showing my face would make it more personal. Like, you guys would get to know me better if you saw me. Like, that feels like it would have a big effect on the channel. Then again, there are people that, like, there are huge YouTubers that don't show their face. And I am just stuck. I don't know which one to do. So, see what the majority of the comments says, and
Молодцы, разведчики. ГРУ, return to base.
pretty easy match too. We'll see what all the comments say, and if you guys want it, if you don't want it, you know. It's like decide my fate. It's like a crappy mobile game. Also guys, sorry if I sound really like nasally and young. I know that's a really annoying combination. I don't know, first off, yes, I feel nasally. Like, so it's like, there's some allergy going around. Like, I have this allergy, and I forgot the tree name. Oh, mountain cedar. So there's this allergy going around, and it's called mountain cedar. It only, like, the trees that cause you feeling like crap only come really around this time, and I am allergic to mountain cedar. And it just gets a lot of snot just clogged up in my nose. It's really annoying. But looks like we're gonna be hopping on U-Bahn for our second map. I don't know how I feel about this one, because if you get really sweaty people on this map, it's impossible to get 2 kills. But then again, if I get just really crappy, like Timmy No Thumbs, I mean, I'm gonna get this no time, so. Especially since it's a longer map.
Swag Master 69 420. Will you marry me?
Yeah, man.
What about you, Clouded? Will you marry me?
Nah.
Kill confirmed.
Why
I'll
not,
give
bro?
you that
I
nice
think he sounds
trike
pretty
with
sexy.
BH
Break
benefits.
and engage.
Oh, moving it back.
Oh god. Okay. So it seems we're stuck with
Oh, that
the
sucked for me.
sweaty type. You know what? I might not talk to you guys. I might just talk to these guys. I don't know. I don't want to talk to
For
these
real,
kids.
bro? Hell no, I ain't going down like that. Let's go.
Hey, do you guys want to help me get a double kill with the knife? Alright. These guys are real help.
Holy shit, how is he still getting behind me?
I don't even know. Should I just camp it?
Damn,
Oh!
alright.
Ah!
You guys are actually halfway decent. Let's go.
Bro, it's a 112.
Team is really bad right now.
I mean, I got first kill for our team, so.
You guys have teamwork, dedication, coordination. Fucking fighting skills.
No! Okay. I just had to jinx it. I just had to say that. I'm probably getting matched with all these people. Because,
Save your fucking life.
okay, I'm sorry. These guys aren't gonna respond to me when I talk to them. I'm just gonna mute them. Okay, so I popped off really hard on a match last night. I went, I think it was 60. I forgot my KD, or I forgot my actual kills and death, but I know I had a 2.18 KD, which is like double the amount I usually get. And skill-based matchmaking was like, oh hey, I see you did good that one match, that one time, you know, that one match, that one time, and I'm like, oh yeah, that one match, that one time, and he's just like, hey, yeah, what if I just matched you with FaZe Jeff, and I'm just like, I mean, what am I gonna do, you know? It's skill-based matchmaking. It does what it wants, it gets what it wants when it wants. You think I have a choice? Nah. I mean, I could reverse boost, but I'm not about that. It feels like cheating, so. I've tried it before, it's not that great. I like playing more against actual skilled players. I mean, not when I'm doing like a knife challenge, but I like playing against more skilled players whenever I'm playing casually. I don't like just wrecking people. Is this guy faster than me? Is this guy faster than me? Are you serious? I want to have a race with this kid, bro. I think this guy is faster than me, and I am carrying around a 2-pound knife. A knife. This guy's carrying around like a 15-pound SMG. I have a 2-pound knife. Am I just a really out of shape Mexican guy? Is that what my character is? Also, Treyarch, please fix your freaking knife. In case you guys haven't noticed, the knife did get nerfed. It takes extremely long to swing now. Was that a double? I doubt that was. That's his. Wait, did I get it? Hold on, guys. No, not always do that. Okay, we're on 8. Let's go off. Let us go, as the kids say. I sounded actually really bad. Probably shouldn't have said that.
HVA.
No, 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 no. Oh my god. My man's just straight up booty smacking. Shouldn't have shot him, but I mean. Can you use this field mic? Oh my god. I will literally, I would sell my left pinky toe for people to use something other than the Mac-10, the MP5. And like nobody even uses the Milano anymore. There it is.
Enemies destroyed their shield bike.
Silly Billy.
Survivors return for debrief.
Oh, that was a bad match. That was a very, very, very bad match. You see, like, okay. Mac-10. He can, like, just look at this. How do you see that as fair? How do you see that as fair? Whenever he's reloading, and the time it takes me, so he is reloading, right? So he is completely vulnerable. I am hitting him. How come his Mac-10 can kill me while I am reloading? I'm sorry. Brain no work right now. How come I can die to his Mac-10 while he's reloading and I'm shooting him? How's that fair, bro? Oh yeah, that's that one game I was talking about last night. Look at that nice little column going on. It's a pretty sexy column. Got a hard choice. Should I do three per video? I feel like I should do 3 per video, but I feel like people won't watch it. I'll do 3 per video so this isn't a super long series and I can go ahead and get that gameplay out for you guys. Cause this isn't just like I want you guys to watch me play and like I'll just get the sledgehammer. Now I play a lot of the zombies in this game and I want to try it out in zombies. Also it looks dope, so. What does dark matter even look like on it? Hey, if 2 of you guys could just like let me kill you, get a little knife double kill on you, that would be great. You know, I doubt that'll work, but you gotta try. Oh wait, why did I say what does dark matter look like on it, bro? I can't even. Got some camos. This is my favorite. I don't know. Should I throw it on? Bro, gold. I almost have gold actually on a lot of weapons. You'd be surprised how many weapons I almost have gold on, just by like playing the game. Now there are gonna be a couple I need to grind out, but like a lot of the challenges I can just like play the game for a year and then I'll have dark matter. Or not like unknowingly do it, but like if I'm conscious about dark matter and I'm just normally playing,
Expect hostile
while
contact.
keeping in
Make
mind
sure they know whose house they're in.
that
We've pulled ahead.
no. I thought I had that all lined up perfectly. It's 8:16. Can I even fit another match in? God, I have school at 8:30. Hate school so much, dude. Like, oh my god, my teachers are so boring. I can't even pay attention, dude. It's like, how do you expect me to pay attention to this whenever I, first off, can't even hear you because your mic audio is like you're underwater. Hello, I am under the water. Can you guys hear me? But second off, like, why should I care about that, bro? Why should I care about what you're saying? My brain doesn't care about it. Why do I care what you're saying? You know, I could be playing COD right now. I could be making a YouTube video right now. Trying to do what I love. And they're just like, you know, I think you need to, learn, do some shapes. So stupid, bro.
We've pulled ahead.
That was fancy. That made me feel good. I'll tell you one thing, Mac 10 doesn't have. Good range. No, what?
We're losing this fight.
I'm a cowboy, babe. Bro, I feel like I'm recording in a super low frame rate. Looking at OBS right now and it looks so strange. Hopefully the game looks better in a YouTube video than it does in OBS being recorded. Because if not, dude, that I suck. I'm horrible. I'm gonna need to go get me a 3080. Oh, guys. Oh yeah, I don't know if I said this in the second time recording this video, because the first time my game crashed. I got verified, so yeah. I can upload this 20-minute video. Of me just straight dying. You guys like seeing me die? Is that what you want from me? Is this what mankind now deems as funny? You see a man with nothing getting destroyed in a video game, and this is what you want to watch? Oh, the horror! I'm feeling spicy. Actually, I'm feeling spicier. See how you guys like me whenever I'm the one using the Mac 10. I actually got a kill. See that? Is this what you guys want from me? You want me to use the Mac 10? A little mac and cheese, bro. A little Mackie. The little Mackie snacky.
Pull your socks up, lads. They're ahead.
Like, bro. Like, look at that, bro. How is any normal person gonna compete with this? First off, where'd you get the skin for this gun? Let's go. Second off, what attachments were on that? Third off, why didn't I not realize that was an enemy? We got 30 seconds.
We're running out of time, MI6.
You're right, we're running out of time. Look at that. Why is mine so much horrible? Or why so much horrible, guys? Yes, I am grammar. Why is mine so bad where his is that? What was that? That was the... You guys... I think I am in spiritual pain from this game. 13:25.
Withdraw. They've got us beat.
Oh, my brain. My brain can't handle the truth. I mean, at least I got it. Not the sledgehammer, but I got my 2 kills at 8:22. Yay, I get to upload this video and then go to school. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. These videos are really fun to make. I enjoy running the knife. It's one of my favorite weapons. But if you guys did enjoy, let me know. You can leave a like, subscribe. I'm gonna remind you of that again. But anyway, I will catch you guys in the next one.